Hello. Today I will show you how to easily make a balloon arch, without smearing the wall, without gluing the hooks, or the balloon arch itself to the wall. If you watch this video, you must have kids, and you need to make these arches for celebrations several times a year, so I would recommend you to buy an electric balloon pump. It will make the process easier, and your lungs will thank you. A balloon pump, like this, costs around $25, which I think is a cheap price, considering how much time you will save. If you don't want to smear the walls of your house, you should also get a light stand with a boom arm. It costs about $45, but it will also be useful for other projects, and you can use it to make new balloon arches every year. Links to the stand, balloon kit and balloon pump will be in the video description. Choose the balloon arch kit you want from one of the online shopping platforms. Once you have received it, start by inflating all the balloons. This is where the electric balloon pump comes in. As there are over 100 balloons in these arch kits, it would be tortuous to inflate them with your mouth. Once all the balloons are inflated, start attaching them to the plastic ribbon according to the advertisement, or your own preferences. Attach as many balloons as you want. You don't have to attach all the balloons. Then place the light stand with boom arm in the place you want. Remember to put the weights on the stand too. Bags of weights are supplied. Then just tie the balloon arch to the stand in the way you want. It's really that easy. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment under the video. Have a nice celebration.